Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at plane surfaces. Today discuss about topics, explain about activity 7 and explain the formation of Mires. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 7. Okay. Question. How can you see the coin in water from top? Okay. How can you see the coin in water from top? What is the phenomena beyond that? This is question. Take a cylindrical transparent vessel. Take a cylindrical transparent vessel. This is cylindrical transparent vessel. Transparent vessel. Okay. After that with water. After that water. Water. Okay, now place a coin. For example, 5 rupees coin. Place a 5 rupees coin at the bottom of the vessel. Bottom of the vessel. Okay, this is 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin. Okay. Coin at bottom. Coin at bottom. Okay. Now pure water until you get the image of the coin on the water surface. Coin on the water surface. Okay, image of coin on the water surface. Water surfaces. Okay, this phenomena is called total internal reflection. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. This is activity 7. Next topic. Question. How mirages are formed and explain. Okay. How mirages are formed, explain. This is question. What is a mirages? What is a mirages? Virtual images of distant eye objects causes the optical illusion is called mirages. Is called mirages. Okay, for example, which is the virtual image of the sky. Of the sky. For example, mirage. And an inverted image of tree on the road. Tree on the road. Okay. Inverted image of tree. Inverted image of tree is a eye object. For example, coconut tree. Coconut tree. This example for mirages. Okay, next example. Mirage is an optical illusion where it appears that water was collected on the road at a distant place, but when you get there, don't find any water. This is best example, mirage. Explanation. During hot summer day, for May month. Very hot. Air just above the road surface is very hot, and the air at higher altitudes is cooled. You know that refractive index of air increases with density. In summer day, very hot, very hot. Altitudes, altitudes is cool. Altitudes very cool. Okay, hot, when hot, very hot. Now refractive index, refractive index is a increases, is a increases. So the cooler air at the top of the greater refractive index, then hotter air just above the road. Okay, what is meant by refractive index? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. It is called refractive index. Okay, refractive index then hotter, very just above the road. Okay, next one, light travels faster through the inner arc very than the denser cool where above it. Light travels. Light travels when sun. Sun light travels faster that the inner arc where denser cool. Denser medium is a very cool when hot days. When hot days. The temperature decreases with height. Okay, on hot days the temperature decreases with height. The refractive index of air increases with height. In a hot day, refractive index is a increases. Temperatures is a decreases. Temperature is a decreases. Okay, refractive index of a air increases. Temperature also decreases. Some height. See, observe. Refractive index of air increases with height. Temperature decreases with height. Okay, next one. When the light from a tall objects such as tree from the sky passes through a medium just above the road whose refractive index decreases. Okay, already showed. Refractive index decreases. Refractive index decreases toward the ground, suffers refraction and takes a curved path because of total internal reflection. See the figure 2. Observe them. This one. Total internal reflection. Okay, this is refracted light reaches the observer in direction shown in second figure. Second figure. See the second figure. Second figure. And after that, third figure. Okay, refractive index decreases with depth. Next one, this refracted light reaches the observer direction as shown in second figure. Already see that one. Okay, this is appears to the observer that the ray is refracted from the ground. You will see the water on a road, which is virtual image of sky, and an inverted image of tree on the road. For example, tree, tall tree, coconut tree. Okay, you will see the water on your road, which is a virtual image of the sky, inverted image of tree on the road. Next one, virtual image of distant eye object causes the optical illusion is called mirages. Is called mirages. This is explanation.